Hello everyone. So in this video series, I'm going to discuss about world geography. So world geography లో ఉన్నటువంటి concepts like Earth and universe, size of the Earth, planets, right? So planets, solar system, galaxy, universe. So all the things we are going to discuss in this world geography series, right? So let us start with the first chapter. It is the Earth and universe. ఓకే. సో, భూమి గురించి, విశ్వం గురించి ఈ చాప్టర్‌లో మనం మాట్లాడుకోబోతున్నాం. సో, దాంతో పాటు ఇంట్రడక్షన్ అయినటువంటి జియోగ్రఫీ అనేటువంటిది ఏ పదం నుంచి తీసుకున్నాం, అది ఎట్లా ఆవిర్భవించింది, దీనిలో ఈ జియోగ్రఫీని, భూగోళ శాస్త్రాన్ని డెవలప్ చేయడానికి ఎవరెవరు ఏ సైంటిస్టులు జోగ్రఫర్స్ దీనిలో ఇన్వాల్వ్ అయి ఉన్నారు అనేటువంటి అంశాలన్నీ కూడా మనం డిస్కస్ చేసుకుందాం. ఓకే. సో రైట్, లెట్ us స్టార్ట్ విత్ ద intro. So intro of geography. What is the intro? What is the meaning for geography? What is the meaning for geography? Geography is nothing but simple word. I will bifurcate it into geographos. Okay. So geography, finally geography was bifurcated into, we can bifurcate into geo plus graphos. So what is the meaning for geo? Meaning for geo is earth. What is the meaning for graphos? This analysis. Okay. So finally, geography is nothing but analysis of the earth. Okay. So from which language these words was taken? It was taken from Greek language. Okay. So the origin point for geography is Greek language. So in Greek language, geographos is nothing but it is known as అనాలిసిస్ ఆఫ్ ది ఎర్త్. సో భూమి గురించి అనాలిసిస్ చేసేటువంటిదే జియోగ్రఫీ అనమాట. సో అంటే భూమి గురించి అంటే భూమి పైన అనమాట. ఓకే. సో భూమి లోపల కనుక అనాలిసిస్ చేస్తే మనం జియోలాజీగా మాట్లాడతాం, స్టడీ ఆఫ్ ది ఎర్త్ అని చెప్తున్నాం. సో జియోలాజికల్ సైన్సెస్, జియోలాజీ అని పిలుస్తూ ఉంటాం. సో ద స్టడీ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్నల్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్స్ ఆఫ్ ది ఎర్త్ అనమాట. సో ఇంటర్నల్గా ఏదైతే ఉందో ఇంటర్నల్ స్ట్రక్చర్. So geology is, in geology we deals about internal structure of the earth, whereas coming to here geography, we study about exterior of the earth, like we will study about various types of landforms that were present. Okay. So we will study about oceans, oceanography, landforms, hydrology. Okay. We will study about hydrosphere. Then we will study about animals under fauna. We study about flora, forest. We will discuss about forest, wildlife, everything. Okay. So under geography we study all those things, but whereas coming to here geology, we study about internal structure of the earth, like the minerals which was present inside of the earth, how the minerals was expanded, how the minerals was presented, how the minerals were distributed from from one country to another country. So all those aspects we study under geology. Okay. So this is the thing. Okay. So see here, geography, right? So then we need to know about who is the father of geography. Okay. So who is the father of geography? Please remember, please write down in your notebooks, father of geography. So who is the father of geography? So father of geography was Eratosthenes. Okay. So Eratosthenes was the father of geography. Okay. So he was born in 276 BC in Greek. So if any person come and ask you who is the father of geography, you should say that father of geography is Eratosthenes. One more father is there. Who is that? Father of modern geography. Father of modern geography. Okay. So father of modern geography. Okay. So father of geography, Eratosthenes. Father of modern geography, who is that? Alexander von Humboldt. Alexander von Humboldt. Okay. So he is the father of modern geography. Next, one more father is there, Karl Ritter. One more father is there. He is Hecataeus. He is Hecataeus. He is Hecataeus. So these are the fathers. So these three persons are father of modern geography. Father of modern geography. Next, father of Indian geography is also there. Who is the father of Indian geography? Who is father of Indian? So Indian geography. Father of Indian geography was James Runnell. So James Runnell. So James Runnell was father of Indian geography. So know the difference between these three aspects. One is the father of geography. If you get question like that, who is the father of geography? You should say that Eratosthenes. Or else, if you get the question as who is the father of modern geography, if you find among these options like Alexander von Humboldt, Karl Ritter, Hecataeus, you should try to answer those things in the question according to the question. Next, question and options. Next, father of Indian geography. Who is the father of Indian geography? James Runnell. So James Runnell was the father of Indian geography. Okay. Next, scientist and discovery. ఓకే, సో చూద్దాం మరి ఏ సైంటిస్టులు వాళ్ళు ఏమేమి డిస్కవర్ చేశారు అర్త్ సంబంధించి, జియోగ్రఫీ సంబంధించి అనేటువంటి ఆస్పెక్ట్స్లో కనుక మనం వచ్చినట్లయితే సో వన్ బై వన్ చూద్దాం. ఎరటోస్తనిస్. Okay, so he tried to calculate length of the equator. He tried to calculate length of the equator as well as circumference. Okay, so Eratosthenes tried to calculate length of equator circumference. Okay, so he was calculated that equator. So the length of equator is around 12,756 kilometers. And coming to here circumference, Eratosthenes calculated that circumference of the earth is around 40,070 kilometers. Okay, next, moreover, this same Eratosthenes also wrote one book. What is the name of the book? Geographica. So Geographica. Okay, so Eratosthenes wrote one book. It is known as Geographica. Okay, so Geographica is the book written by Eratosthenes. Who wrote a Geographica book? Who is that? Eratosthenes. What is the name of the book written by Eratosthenes? Geographica. So in this way you may get the questions. Okay, so try to answer those questions. Get ready to answer those type of questions. Next, Hipparchus. Okay, so this fellow Hipparchus. Okay, so Hipparchus divided the circle into 360 degrees. Okay, so Hipparchus divided the circle into 360 degrees. So from that, what we got the information? What the information we got? We got that latitudes, longitudes. Okay, so finally with the data provided by Hipparchus, finally the same person divided the earth into latitudes as well as longitudes. So he is the person discovered about longitudes and latitudes. Okay, next, Aristotle. Okay, so this Aristotle said that Aristotle said about shape of the earth. So Aristotle said that shape of the earth. Okay, so shape of the earth. So what is the shape of the earth according to Aristotle? It is spherical. Okay, so before Aristotle, most of the people thought that earth was like a flat. Even Galileo also said that earth is not a flat body. Earth is like a spherical. So earth is like a ball, earth is like a volleyball, earth is like a, what is that? Earth is like a throw ball, like that. So these things was said by Galileo, but most of the people thought that Galileo was a mad boy, and they threw the stones on Galileo. Finally, Galileo was died. Okay, so this thing was happen, but those people though they don't know much knowledge about this, but Galileo has knowledge. But those people thought that Galileo was a mad boy, so that's why he's saying that earth is not a flat body, earth is a spherical. But happened. So finally Aristotle said that the shape of the earth is spherical, the shape of the earth is spherical. Okay, so moreover, if you get any question that what is the shape of the earth, what is the shape of the earth, so if you find any word like this, if you find any word like this, geoid, it is a right answer, because geoid is nothing but it is itself says that shape of the earth. For example, if you say that it is a mm, rectangle, if you like it, if this 2D dimensional body is a rectangle, then the shape of the earth itself is a geoid. Okay, so if you get any question like that, what is the shape of the earth, it is geoid or else spherical. Okay, so if any person says to you that geoid, definitely this word should come into mind. What is that word? It is the shape of the earth. So geoid is the shape of the earth. So geoid అనగానే it is the shape of the earth అని చెప్పేసి మీకు ఐడియా రావాలన్నమాట. ఓకే, సో అది టర్మ్స్ మనం తెలుసుకోవాల్సినటువంటివి అంశాలు. నెక్స్ట్ దాంతోపాటు టోలమీ చూద్దాం. సో టోలమీ అనేటువంటి వ్యక్తి ఏం చేశారంటే జనరల్ జియోగ్రఫీ లేదంటే కార్టోగ్రఫీ అనమాట. సో కార్టోగ్రఫీ గురించి ఆయన ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. సో కార్టోగ్రఫీ అంటే ఏంటండి? కార్టోగ్రఫీ అంటే ఏంటి? డ్రాయింగ్ ఆఫ్ మ్యాప్స్ అనమాట. సో కార్టోగ్రఫీ అనగానే డ్రాయింగ్ ఆఫ్ మ్యాప్స్ అనమాట. సో మ్యాప్స్ గురించి, సో ఏ లొకేషన్లు ఏమేమి ఉంటాయి అనేటువంటి తెలుసుకునే దాన్ని ఏమంటామంటే కార్టోగ్రఫీ అనమాట. సో దానిని ప్రపోజ్ చేసింది ఎవరంటే టోలమీ. నెక్స్ట్ హెరోడోటస్. సో ఫైనల్లీ హీ సెడ్ దట్ మెరిడియన్స్ అండ్ మ్యాప్. మెరిడియన్స్, సో మనం చూస్తాం కదా మెరిడియన్స్ ఏఎం పిఎం అని చెప్పేసి మెరిడియన్స్ ఉంటాయి. ప్రైమ్ మెరిడియన్ అని చెప్పేసి 8 to 10 degrees మెరిడియన్ చెప్పేసి అంటే లాంగిట్యూడ్స్ అనమాట ఇవన్నీ కూడా. సో ఈ లాంగిట్యూడ్స్ని డ్రా చేసింది ఎవరంటే హెరోడోటస్ అనమాట. మెరిడియన్స్ ఆన్ మ్యాప్. సో దిస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ యూ మే గెట్ ఇన్ వేర్ మ్యాచ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ మల్టిపుల్ చాయిస్ క్వశ్చన్స్. ఓకే.